Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm checking out a wallet from OpenSea Leather, formerly known as Das Offenmeer, and right here I have the Houbei. So let's check it out. Alright, I gotta say that I love when wallets come in this little cotton style fabric pouch. I don't see it often, but when I get it, I absolutely love it. Alright, so let's take this out of the pouch and I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the Houbei here. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. Alright, the Houbei is made from full-grain Buttero vegetable tan leather. It has 4 pockets and can hold between 7 and 8 credit cards. It can fit up to 20 bills without having to fold them in half or quarters. And everything is held together pretty nicely with this tuck closure feature. On the back we have a quick access card pocket, and you can choose between a seamlessly never-ending variety of colors for the leather and even the thread, and every wallet is handmade right here in the USA. Alright, so that's enough of the quick features. Let's talk dimensions. Alright, so the Houbei is 4 inches tall by 3.25 inches wide, and they don't mention what it weighs on the website, so let's weigh it. Alright, so nothing inside here, so let's plop it on my scale. Alright, 1.4 ounces, and in grams comes out to be 40 grams. Alright, so my first impressions when I first took this out of the pouch was just how high quality this full grain leather was. And then taking a look at the inside, you can see the high level craftsmanship and just attention to detail everywhere. You can see what I'm talking about right here with this cross stitching. I mean, everything is hand stitched, everything is handmade, and it looks to be assembled with just 2 pieces of leather. For the main portion of the wallet, I went with the Bordeaux color, and the secondary color right here, I went with chestnut. And then you can see I went with the black stitching because I thought it brought everything together, and I wasn't wrong. And this full grain Buttero leather feels absolutely amazing. This is something that I kind of miss after always carrying a metal wallet, because I absolutely love leather, and who doesn't love the smell of full grain leather? Especially Buttero vegetable tan leather. I mean, yes, it just smells awesome. And this is my very first OpenSea leather wallet, and I can definitely see what all the hype was about. I've heard a lot about this company when they were still called Das Offenmeer, and from what I can see here, their quality has not dipped at all with their name change. Alright, so now let's take a look at how this wallet is set up. So we have a big pocket right here that's intended to store your bills. Now I read on the website they actually got 20 bills stuffed in this little pocket, and seeing the size of it, yeah, I can see it. Then you can see the folded leather right here that creates 2 more pockets for your credit cards. One right here and one right here. And this folded piece of leather creates that tuck closure where we can take the flap right here, tuck it right in there, and holds everything together pretty nicely. And then yeah, right here on the back we have that quick access card pocket. Now that one's created with a secondary piece of leather, so it's stitched together right there, wraps right around, and just tucks right in to that fold right there. I really love the way this wallet is set up. It takes a lot of thought and a lot of skill to fold a piece of leather and have it functional as a wallet, especially like this with all these folds that create pockets like this. I love it. Alright, so now let's start stuffing some cards in there and see how functional this is as an actual wallet. So I'll use this first little pocket fold. Just stuff 2 cards in there. There we go. Pretty simple stuff. Let's take another 2. Stick it in that fold right before there, and there's 4 cards. And it looks like this is going to be pretty easy to access your cards. Obviously, we have all of our cards right in a pretty accessible spot right here on the front. And then let's see how many cards will easily fit back here in this quick access slot. So that's just 1. Let's see if we can do another one. Oh yeah, we can get 2 in there with no problem. Now obviously, being full grain leather, if you stuff more cards in there, it'll just stretch right out and mold to however many cards you want to put in there, but I wouldn't stuff too many in this quick access slot back here. It's pretty much meant for 1 card, and that's probably all I would put back there, if even that one. And I say that because do I really even want to have a card back here? Yes, it's super easy to just whip out your wallet and pull the card out like that. But this is the first time I'm saying this. This wallet is so gorgeous just the way it is. I don't think I want to have a credit card back there kind of messing up my aesthetics. I mean, do you guys see what I'm talking about? With age, this wallet starts to patina and it's gonna look gorgeous, even more than it does right now. So I'm not even sure if I wanna keep a credit card back there because this is a pretty classy looking wallet just as it is. And I had the nice two-tone color going on right there, so this credit card is kind of an eyesore. That is, if I can hold 6 credit cards in these 2 front pockets right here, and yeah, not a problem at all. So that just means instead of holding my most used credit card in this quick access slot back here, I just put my most used credit card right there on the top. And then of course I can just pull the whole stack up like this, do the fan method as so, take out my credit card, say the second one there, fold the flap back up. Yeah, I really like this. Now another attractive feature of the Houbei is this cash pocket right here. So let me take out these credit cards here so I can focus on the cash portion of this wallet. So I have 7 bills right here, and I said it's an attractive feature because you can basically just leave your bills whole just like this without folding them in half or quarters, and just fold the flap, tuck it in, that's it. And yes, I do like this feature of the Houbei because you don't have to fold your bills into quarters or half just to get them in your wallet. But to have this feature on a minimalist wallet like this in a pretty small form factor is very welcome. But one thing I noticed when the bills are unfolded like this, when you let it go, they flop forward. So I can see that getting pretty annoying when you open your wallet up, you're trying to get your cards out, and you have those bills flopping all over your cards. So the best thing to do is when you open your wallet, just take all the cash with you like this and just hold your finger there. If your thumb is holding your bills from flopping over, you should have no problem getting out your cards. But for someone like me who only carries cash for emergencies, I always use a card. I probably won't have the bills unfolded like that, so I'll probably just fold my bills in half and then stuff them into the cash pocket as so. For someone like me, I think this is the way to go so I don't have to always worry about those bills falling over, getting in my way. So right now I have 7 credit cards in this wallet, 3 in the front pocket, 3 in the back pocket, 1 in the quick access pocket back here, and then 7 bills folded in half. So tucking the flap together like this, I mean, it's still relatively thin. But for me personally, I wouldn't keep a card back here, and now everything is just tucked away in this nice, beautiful little full grain leather package. I think it looks super classy, and honestly, I'm probably gonna ditch my metal wallets for a while for this one. It just looks super classy. I miss the feel of a leather wallet in my hand. I absolutely love the 2 color combinations here. I like the fact that I can keep my bills folded in half, tucked away back here, or if I want to keep them unfolded and have quick access to my bills, I can do that too. And the smell of this wallet is absolutely intoxicating. You guys know what I'm talking about. So would I recommend the Houbei by OpenSea Leather? Absolutely. Everything that I heard about this company was absolutely true. Yes, this wallet does go for 79 bucks, but in my opinion, it's worth every penny. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Houbei by OpenSea Leather? Like I said, this is my very first OpenSea Leather wallet, and it's definitely not going to be my last one. And yes, I was serious about ditching my current metal wallet for a little bit. I think I'm going to give this one a try. If you guys want to check out OpenSea Leather for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!